hands up in the air for the.
Alright, what's going on, guys? We're gonna be playing Monster Drop. It's a monster and you drop balls. So let's go.
I'll drop balls from your monster.
Alright, see if we can get it first try. Wouldn't that be nice?
Nope.
Oh my god! First try. Wow. Second try. Oh.
Oh. You got
Wow.
jackpot bonus.
First try. Oh.
That ball's bouncing around.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
And drop them. I'm doing pretty good.
Drop bonus balls. Bonus ball. Bonus ball.
Oh my god.
Oh. That would've been
I
awesome.
wanted to go in there so badly. Oh, that was close. No way!
Sick!
Oh my god!
Have you gotten that before?
No, not on this.
Whoa.
No. Oh my god.
That is so
over
cool.
1,000 tickets. Finally.
Wow.
No way. Let's go. Wow.
I'm happy I got that on film too.
Yeah, that was awesome. If you guys didn't know, I just hit the monster jackpot. It is so hard to get
We
it
had
in
to
there.
slow that down.
Yeah, the chances of getting it in there are like slim to none.
I don't think we've ever done it. I've never
Yeah,
done it.
wow, look at that.
My girlfriend maybe have done it, but I don't remember.
Wow, that was insane. Oh, it's tempting.
Yeah, 25.
Oh.
No, 50.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. There we go. Jackpot. Let's go. Can we get a good zoom on that real quick? Okay, sorry. Oh.
Oh.
That was so in there. Oh, what? I know. I put slice on it. Oh, there we go. Let me see that. Nice, got the jackpot. Try to get a good thumbnail. Sorry for you guys watching. It's like, why does he keep zooming in? Oh. Oh. What did I get? 4? I know. I put slice on it. Oh, there we go. Let me see that. Nice, got the jackpot. Try to get a good thumbnail. Sorry for you guys watching. It's like, why does he keep zooming in? Oh. Oh. Did I really? Oh, wow, yeah, 50.
You got twice actually.
Oh, there we go.
Straight in. That's what she said.
Right there. 104.
Oh, that was gonna get double. That'd be pretty cool.
Oh, yeah.
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 Ready? 2 in a row. Oh. Man. That was so in there.
I'll be in you.
No, that was bad. That one was bad. Oh, it's hard with all these balls rolling around.
Oh. Oh, right there.
It's about time. Alright, tuner already, right here. Oh. Right now. Oh, wow. There we go. Oh, it wants to go in.
Oh, mystery brother.
What's it gonna be?
2.
Alright. Let's have a new
One
zone
half.
down. 9.
9. Oh, God. Oh,
wow.
went straight through. Wait, what? Did he give it to me twice or no?
I don't know.
50.
Oh, 50. Oh, get in there. Oh. I thought maybe he gave it to me twice, maybe not. Yeah, because it did it go straight down or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it gave it to me twice. Thank you.
Yeah, that was twice.
I just got 2 in a row, guys. Okay, that one was late. It was really late. That was weird. He was like standing right near us. People out long. Wow. 25 is bad. Oh wait. What? 1. Monster. Hit that monster, yo.
Let me show you how to.
Hit the monster. That was so bad. So bad. Oh my god.
Freak. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
That should be good. Hey!
Bonus balls.
Monster, get that monster.
Please go.
It's like silent. It's kind of weird.
Oof.
I'll bonus some my balls
Add
inside of
bonus
you.
balls.
50.
Oh, okay.
What if it went in like every single one? That'd be cool.
That would be pretty cool, actually. They keep on going to add bonus balls.
Oh, that one almost went in the monster jackpot. Last one.
Oh.
No, it is turning, dude. I just turned on you.
Turning you on.
Oh.
Hey.
I
Another
think I've been
jackpot.
staring at the wheel too long, to be honest.
We're gonna see what the prize is.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Ah.
Come on, at least be 25.
Oh my god, that was so in there. Wasn't that in there?
Oh yeah, that was still in there.
Not in there? Oh. Nope.
Tell you what, if you hit a jackpot, I'll go on top of this car and I'll dab.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, I like shook the whole car. I don't know.
I think it's when you hit the dab. Oh.
Hey,
Oh, there you go.
Okay. Finally.
Okay, I think I'm pretty close.
Got 100.
Stupid. It's
Mr.
taking
Val.
so long. Oh,
Oh, wow. There we go. Gonna zoom up on that.
Oh yeah.
This is gonna go right up in there.
I'm actually gonna try for this. I kind of need to drop my. I didn't notice I had 11. That was crazy.
Oh, you're almost there.
Oh, wow.
4,000.
4,001.
Let's go at 5,000.
No.
No.
Not gonna make us.
I actually want to get this drop bonus balls though. I can't leave all these balls here.
Alright, so try for that.
Oh, there you go.
Perfect
Okay.
Timing.
Here.
You wanna end it on that?
Yeah. Well, I still have 4.
Go ahead and film it, man.
Here. Oh yeah.
Film your
Drop bonus balls. Boner balls.
boner balls.
Bonus balls.
Why does it keep going and add?
Balls.
Like honestly.
Bonus balls.
All those balls are bouncing around.
Bonus balls.
Wow, they're like all stacking up on 1. Like, what are the freaking chances?
See, I want to be at 1.
Bonus balls.
Man.
Oh, one went to the jackpot.
Nuh-uh.
I want Swarm.
Bonus ball.
We'll see.
I want Swarm. One went to the jackpot.
One thing. If we got a monster jackpot last try, that'd be so nice. Right now. Oh, it like moved it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, hey.
See if we can get 2 in a row last try.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's still hope. There's still hope.
2.
It's called a 2.
Yeah. Man, we were close. 4,185. Let's print that.
Alright, nice job.
Let's go buy something. We'll do it on camera too. Is there anything good in there? Here, does someone want to film me? That's all you want.
Let's see what you get.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
my
it's
God.
got red.
Look at it now. Oh, that's
Oh,
perfect.
perfect.
Come on. There.
there you go.
I've never
There.
seen such a good grab.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
25. Is that crane?
Honestly, I kind of want to try.
Oh, what about that?
So
Yeah,
I'm just gonna clamp it and be good to me.
Oh.
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 This car is strong.
Oh. That's for you, Chase.
Wow. I gotta keep going.
What is that?
Oh, I was going for the.
What are those?
I was going for the bear.
Aw.